Hi guys, what happens when great intelligence meets unstoppable power? Galaxy's most powerful ever smartphone is out.
What happens when great intelligence meets unstoppable power?
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we are unleashing the new Samsung Galaxy S25, and I can't wait to share the amazing pictures of this device with you. Let's get started. Hi guys, welcome back. Honestly, I'm not going to talk too much about this new device. I will just get straight into it. I want us to experience this unboxing rather than me just telling you about the features. You are going to experience how the new Samsung Galaxy S24, the feel, the design, the aesthetic, the massive AI features named Galaxy AI. It's extremely extraordinary, and I want us to experience it. I'm going to make sure that this experience is actually going to be very therapeutic. So stick to the end of this video and experience this amazing device. So let's get into it. So the first one is the processor. You all know that I'm a big fan of performance, and without performance there's no efficiency, and this is actually very important, and that's why you see that the processor CPU has 37% increase. So the CPU are engineered to deliver high performance for demanding mobile apps like gaming, AI driven apps, multitasking, and while at the same time maintaining high power efficiency, or like extending your battery life. So the CPUs with a 37% increase allows you to multitask your applications. At the same time, you can play game, open some apps, and also your battery is still very strong. So it extends your battery life as well as you're multitasking and doing different things. That's massive. The next one is 40% increase in NPU. NPU is the neural processing unit, which actually means faster speed for processing AI. So now you know that this new Galaxy called Galaxy AI has a lot of AI features, and there's a lot of AI functionality inside that mobile device, which means there is need for more performance in terms of processing all those AI applications and providing results for you. And that's why there's a 40% increase in NPU, which is the neural processing unit for who with another techie actually. But what it simply means is that faster processing for AI. And the last one is the GPU, which is like 30% increase. That's quite amazing. GPU is actually graphics processing unit. So the graphic processing unit is actually for a big stuff for gamers. If you play games a lot and you want to experience great stuff on mobile devices, then the graphic processing unit is actually great. And so it's actually amazing to see the central processing unit, the neural processing unit, and the graphic processing unit all in one inside the amazing processor, new Snapdragon 8 Elite. It's actually very amazing. This new processor being created for Samsung Galaxy S25 is exceptional, and it's actually mind-blowing for all the users of this mobile smartphone.
A new universe of possibilities is born, boosted by a customized processor that's the Galaxy's most powerful ever.
The next picture is the One UI 7 that provides seamless actions across apps. It's actually amazing to see that you can now experience amazing stuff around your apps. Also the feature that just press and talk, experience this.
At the sound of your voice, an integrated platform connects your apps to open up your world, bringing you a true AI companion where everything's more personalized, more seamless. Now it's easier than ever to get things done. Just press and talk.
Find a pet-friendly Italian restaurant with outdoor seating nearby, and text it to Luca.
Find the next 5 Blue Stars FC games and put them in my calendar.
Just like that.
Next is the awesome circle to search feature, and the Gemini Live feature is actually very amazing. The circle to search feature is actually an amazing feature which you could have experienced in S22, 23, 24 as well. Across those mobile devices, you can do circulate, where you can circulate product, circulate shirt, and you can find it online and you can shop for it. You can do a lot of stuff, images, and find it. It's just amazing. And there's now a better version of Circulate which will actually give you greater experience, and also some other AI features which is actually very amazing. Now with AI reviews and Gemini Live, it's actually very amazing. So you can also get stuff for course, education, fun, health, and so much amazing AI features. That's really great. Experience it.
And the search for answers becomes a whole lot simpler. A circle turns your curiosity into new discoveries. A picture of your textbook turns into an interactive lesson.
Can you help me study this?
Happy to. Let's start. What are mutations?
I don't know. Can you explain it in a simple way?
No problem. Imagine your body's instructions are all stored in this giant cookbook called DNA.
Then the next is the design, which is the thinnest Ultra ever made. You could see from the previous one, who's actually gives some kind of bulky feel and add feel from the previous Samsung devices as well. You can see S24 is quite big, but the new Galaxy S25 feels different. It's the thinnest Ultra ever made, and I can bet it with you that device feels different, as you can experience it in my screen right now. This is actually great.
More elegant. This is the thinnest Ultra ever. Crafted with a floating camera and curved edges for a unified and iconic design.
Next is the camera. A customized processor powered by the next gen Pro Visual Engine that turns every moment to a worthwhile memory. This is exceptional. You can now have a cinematic experience in your video. Just imagine how you take pictures everywhere you are at night and it feels so different. Imagine me shooting this video with one of the Samsung devices and feels like this clear and giving me this output. Imagine what the new Galaxy S25 will bring to you when you use the cinematic experience. You use the video, it's actually going to be very exceptional. Even at night, your videos are lightened, sharp, and clear. That's exceptional. Experience it.
And now you can capture life in all its wonder. Powered by the customized processor, the next-gen Pro Visual Engine turns every moment into a picture to remember. Object-Aware Engine detects backlighting and corrects skin tones, letting you take epic portraits that are true to life. And every lens gives you extraordinary detail from every angle, every single time. Plus, you get incredible video quality with rich color expression. Even at night, your videos are sharp and clear, with minimal noise across both still and moving objects. And if the background noises are spoiling the moment, you've got a built-in sound studio that lets you tune it all to your liking.
So welcome back from the Galaxy. Welcome back from the Galaxy experience. And I think you can experience what I've been talking about. Honestly, Galaxy AI, right now, there is no better mobile experience out there. I can tell you that this device is made for their users to experience it, not to use the mobile device, but to experience the mobile device. From the features, the AI features, making life easier, the feel, the design, the camera. It shows that they are very detailed and they are so intentional about their users, and they know what the users want to feel like when they're using the device. I can tell you, I've been a great user of Samsung for all over the years, from Note 3 to Note 4 or 5, going like that to up till now. I can tell you that Samsung have been providing a great experience. The simplicity, the design, the experience, the pen, the everything. It shows that they are detailed and intentional about the experience their users are having in their mobile phones. And I can tell you from the years back that I've been using Samsung, they have never disappointed me for once. And this is what it means to use a smartphone in this generation. And I'm grateful for Samsung doing this, providing this experience for their users. Samsung has been very exceptional in creating exceptional mobile devices. For me, this is actually the best mobile device in the world. Well, I might be wrong, but it's okay for me to know your thoughts in the comment section. Let me know what you think in the comment section. If you love this mobile device, or if you're considering to get one as well, let me know what you think in the comment section, and I'll be glad to chat with you as well. Anyway, thanks for watching my video, and feel free to share, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in the very next one. Cheers and stay sharp.
So yeah, imagine that. A new universe of possibilities with you at the center of it all. You ready?